Hi everybody, here's the disc. I've got it so that it's segmented, and there's a cut around the center so that when I ohm with a meter from segment to segment, nothing's shorted, and that's going to go in between these two platforms, spinning like this, magnets on this plate, and then the brushes go down on top of it like that. And the brushes are done. They're glued in, and I've got them so that they're working slick. And that's as far as we've gotten. I used a brad to hold the spring in place, and then I got a little wire I got to solder to, and that's it. And I made quite a mess of my bench, and my fingers saw it sanding the damn carbon brushes down to fit the box channel, whatever, steel, metal, brass. Anyway, that's as far as we gotten today. Have a good one.